The NPA wrapped up the third week of the Luthuli Inquest by calling experts to the stand. 17 witnesses, including members of the Luthuli family, ANC leaders and experts have so far testified. Witnesses have testified to the possible motive behind Luthuli's death, and evidence has been presented that suggests Luthuli was not hit by a train but may have been assaulted. This week, the court heard the testimony of 2 expert witnesses who had been requested to assist the investigation team in the new probe. Warrant Officer Sunet Nel, a forensic expert, and the chief pathologist in KwaZulu-Natal, Dr. Sbusiso Ntsele. Both experts provided corroborating evidence to support the state's case that Luthuli's death was not an accident. Nel presented the court with composite sketches of the reconstruction of the accident scene. She had relied on the report from the original inquest as well as new photographs and videos taken by the investigators. Nell testified that based on the new evidence gathered, she was of the opinion that Luthuli was assaulted and not struck by a train. Dr. Ntsele analyzed the reports on the injuries against the reports that Luthuli was hit by a train. He studied the medical and post-mortem reports by the doctors who had attended to Luthuli in 1967. He found, amongst other things, that there were important details omitted in their reports.
The report compiled by Dr. Jacobus Johannes van Zyl is replete with gaps relating to description of trauma in terms of size as well as characterization of injuries. It is substandard to say the least. It did not comment on the presence or absence of internal injuries on other body regions except on the head. At least something could be drawn from head injuries despite some lack of detail.
Like Nell, Dr. Ntsele concluded his testimony by refuting the suggestion that Luthuli had been struck by a train. Both experts believed that based on the new evidence, Luthuli was assaulted. The NPA is expected to call new witnesses as the inquest has now been extended to June. I am Mhlongo, SABC News, Pietermaritzburg.